Hey, I'm Anton, the creator of OmegaCloud. Omega is a backend platform that gives you infrastructure and workflows to run your applications with zero hassle and maximum speed. Whether you're working on machine learning tasks, AI agents, or batch processing jobs, Omega lets you run your app easily with just one click. No additional frameworks to learn, no complex infrastructure to configure, and even no admin panel required. Let me show you how it works. For this demo, I have a simple Jupyter notebook that uses diffusion model for image generation. To run this model, I need a GPU-backed environment that I can easily launch with Omega Run command with GPU option. I confirm the auto-detected project type, pick the GPU I want to use, storage, and within some minutes, Omega spins up the environment and launches Jupyter server for our machine learning tasks. Voila, our lab is ready. We follow the link. Let Jupyter server to load. A few more seconds. See, our notebook is in place. And first of all, let's check if we have GPU ready for use. Yeah, we have NVIDIA GPU with 46 GB of video RAM. And let's now run our notebook to generate some images. While it works, I'll pause the recording. The generation is now complete. We see that our pipeline successfully ran on CUDA, and we have some images generated. Nice. This can also be checkpoints, datasets, or other artifacts. So we're finished. Let's shut down the lab and release the GPU. Simply type Omega stop. Omega detects that we have some files ready for download. We confirm, download our generated images. And just like that. Yeah, done. And that's it. So in this demo, you saw how OmegaCloud empowers machine learning developers and researchers to run their projects and experiments quickly and effortlessly. At Omega, our goal is to provide the best user experience for modern AI, machine learning, and backend developers while staying truly framework agnostic and SDK independent. Want to try OmegaCloud? Click the link below. And I also invite you to explore our other videos where we dive into API backend app, scaling jobs, and more. Stay tuned.